And then here we'll go ahead and skip over. Something else that textures do. In, I believe, 2016 is when we introduced it. You can do there's something called a grass displacement map texture. So in here in OpenGL, you'll notice you see nothing. OpenGL cannot do displacement mapping. It can't do noise, none of it. It can't do any of that. What we'll do is turn this on here. And in just a few seconds, we'll be able to see the actual grass. And now you'll see nothing. Still nothing. Just looks like a flat image, but keep waiting. So you can see it's not here. Now in the rendering style that I'm in right now, I believe we're in Custom RenderWorks. In Custom RenderWorks, grass is turned off. In Final Quality RenderWorks and Fast RenderWorks, grass is turned off. You can't do those with the regular rendering modes. You have to use a RenderWorks style. So we'll go in here, and again, like with the textures, we've prepared these all for you to use. You can use these for whatever you like. You can keep these rendering styles. You can generally use them on your documents to do tests. We've designed some of them, when they say realistic, they're a little slow, but they're high quality. And then a few of them sketch. They're a little faster. Here we'll go to grass render real quick. Sorry, I should have done that before I started talking. And in here, this is actually going to do the grass displacement now. So you know that image you saw a moment ago? That's going to show up now, but it's going to do the actual physical grass at the same time. So you can see now we actually have physical blades of grass sticking out. They'll get shadowed, they'll interfere with objects. If you were to put an object on top of it, you would see the grass sticking up around it. Now this is turned down way low because this is pretty slow, so we cheated and we went ahead and re-rendered a full render of what that grass will look like. There you go. So this is what happens if you turn it almost all the way up and use a really nice photorealistic rendering mode here. You can see that the grass will be very clean. You can do a number of different things with grass textures. You can apply an image to it. You can pick multiple colors, so you can pick like red and green, or I'm sorry, brown and green mixed together to be sort of a fall, or if it's spring, you can pick like a sort of a yellow green and then a darker, more vivid forest green. You can just change the region you're in. Some people this is very important. Others it's just very nice to be able to do grass without actually having to take, what I've seen people do is they create one symbol of one blade of grass and then they duplicate that in an array across an area and they have something like 550,000 blades of grass in their model, which, as you can probably imagine, makes it very slow. This is a very fast way of doing it without having to make a million blades of grass, because that's not something any human should have to do.